We're going to look at yesterday's assignments. So I had a request for number 6. So we are writing the equation of the line given 2 points on this one. So we need to find our slope. So we start by labeling x1, y1, x2, y2. And then we use our formula. Y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So I'm going to plug in my numbers. So y2 is 5 minus y1, a negative 3 over x2, 2 minus x1 minus a negative 1. So both of these minus and negatives are going to cancel and become plus. So we have 8 over 3. There's no way to reduce that because we could look and see what it would be as a fraction or as a decimal. And we get 2.6 repeating. And we don't want to use that to find our b. So we're going to use the fraction. So the next part is to use y equals mx plus b. So which point should we use to do the y equals mx plus b?
2 and 5.
Yeah, 2 and 5. I always circle it so that I don't get things confused. So I'm going to plug in the y value. What's the y value here? 5. So 5 equals m, 8 over 3, times x, 2 plus b. So 8 over 3 times 2, 16 over 3. I'm so glad we have a calculator on this. So it's 5 equals 16 over 3 plus b. So then to get b all by itself, we need to subtract 16 over 3. Great thing is, we have 5 minus. Something cool that the calculator can do, if I arrow up, I can grab that 16 over 3, it highlights it in blue, bring it down, and I have 5 minus 16 over 3, which is negative 1/3. So then my equation is y equals mx plus b. So y equals m, which is 8 over 3x, plus b, or minus 1/3. Remember to check your answers. We're going to put this into y equals, so clear out what's in there. And this is going to help ensure that you make 100. So this is really an important step that you don't want to just skip. So we're going to go ahead and put it in. 8 over 3x minus 1 over 3. And then we want to look at the table of values. So hit second graph. Now I want to look at negative 1 is with negative 3, and it is. And 2 is with 5. So 2 and 5. So that means we did it correctly. Okay, any other problems y'all want me to do? I'll do one more. Speak now or forever hold your peace. Huh? 9. Let's look at 9. 9 says, what is the slope in ordered pair? So see how this is written? Y plus 2 equals negative 4 parentheses x minus 1. So that is in that form of y minus y1 equals m x minus x1. So you compare the formula with the equation you're given. And so m is negative 4. And then your ordered pair. So your x. So see how this is minus x1, minus 1? So that means your x1 is positive 1 because it's xy. But this one, it's supposed to be minus y1, but this says plus 2. Huh? So the 2 would be negative because that would be minus a negative, which minus a negative converts to a plus. So that means that my y1 is a negative 2. So we answered the slope and ordered pair question. It says write the equation in slope-intercept form. So we've got to convert this to y equals mx plus b. So rewrite the equation. So we're solving for y, but we've got to distribute first. So this is y plus 2 equals negative 4 times x. Negative 4x. And negative 4 times a negative 1. So positive 4. And then move this plus 2 to the other side by subtracting 2. Put it underneath the other constant so you can combine them. So we have y equals negative 4x. 4 minus 2 plus 2. And then our last step is to check it. So go to y equals, clear out what's in there, put in our equation. And it's there, 1, negative 2. So that means we did it correctly. Put a box around your answer. Okay, go ahead and turn this assignment in if you are finished with it.